Good evening, everyone. We have, a lot of you have joined in, but still we're waiting for more students. Let's wait for one more minute and then we can start the session. Meanwhile, I would request all of you to have your AICTE registered email ID ready with you. Well, I've started the recording as well. So students, I would request all of you to have your AICTE registered email ID ready with you. Because today we are going to log into different platforms, right? Today is your orientation. So please have your registered email ID ready with you. I hope my voice is audible to everybody. If yes, you can drop yes in the chat. We're waiting for more students to join in. Just one more minute and we are good to start the session. Yes, very good evening. I can read your messages. Yes. I guess we are good to start the session. Okay, I can see a drastic change in the numbers, so which means that the students are joining in. So, and one more request for all of you is please do join the session 5 or 10 minutes prior. Okay, because the strength is huge, so definitely we should stick to the timelines. All right. Just one more minute. Yes. So also, like some students, they are sending that they're unable to join this Zoom call. No problem. We are streaming this on YouTube as well. We have already shared the YouTube live link in your Telegram group. So you can also use that to join the YouTube live there. So some students, they're already there, right? I hope you all able to see the screen where the program's name is visible to you all. So with that note, we can start the session. Those who are unable to join the Zoom can join the YouTube live. Okay, clear all of you? Right. So with that, we can start the session now. We welcome you all to the Microsoft Internship brought to you by EduNet Foundation. Okay, on AI Azure. This is going to be your 4-week internship. Before we start, let me tell you that this is your first session, first ever session, the May batch students. This is your orientation session. Okay, starting 13th May. And before we go to the next slide, let me tell you that this Microsoft program is brought to you by EduNet Foundation. And yes, Rohita sir, next slide. Right. So EduNet Foundation is basically founded in 2015. We are a non-profit organization focusing on youth skilling, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Especially, we work with tier 2, 3 cities, and generally we focus on EWS communities, and we work with students of different age categories. And this program is basically designed and implemented with the tech-enabled education. As the title says, it is on AI Azure, artificial intelligence-based internship. Okay. So this basically we do programs with multiple different organizations like IBM, Microsoft, SAP, Vodafone, and especially in that row, Microsoft program is really very special, not just for us, but for you as well. Okay. And EduNet Foundation is recognized with special consultative status, but by ECOSOC, that is Economic and Social Council of the United Nations. So, as I have told you, we are a non-profit organization and we do different programs with various different partners, like I've mentioned already. Okay. So definitely these skills, whichever you learn will definitely add on values to your profiles later. Right. This is all about EduNet Foundation. Next slide, sir. Right. So in this program, this is already I've told you, this is based on artificial intelligence skilling initiative, and this is designed to equip you learners with artificial intelligence based skills through interactive training, live webinars, and hands-on internships. And in this program, we offer sessions with AI experts. They'll give you plenty of examples, live scenarios, and not just that, you will also be doing your project works here in this 4-week internship, right? And you will also be getting free access to access the curated courses by Microsoft, right? Specifically focusing on artificial intelligence. That is also a eligibility criteria, the course completion. Okay. And along with that, we're also offering you free internship. You're not paying anything here. It's a free internship. And you will also be earning Microsoft credentials. Those things we will be discussing in today's session. Sir will take you through that. Okay. And apart from that, learning side, of course, you will be learning about machine learning, artificial intelligence, Azure, and all those stuffs, right? And you will also be implementing them through your project works, right? Next slide, sir. Technology tracks, the main track here is artificial intelligence and Azure. As I have told you, this is a project-based internship. You will also be doing your project works. We will also be giving you updates on each and every sessions. Okay, you will be receiving the updates in your sessions. So do not skip even a session. Attend the sessions throughout this 4-week duration. You will be able to learn plenty of stuffs. Okay, around artificial intelligence. Next slide, sir. This is the schedule. I would request all the students to take a screenshot of this. This is the schedule. Okay, we will also be posting regular updates on your Telegram group, but basically this is your schedule. If you want to know when is your next session, you can always go back and refer to the screenshot of this. Okay, today we have just started with our orientation. That is 13th May today, right? Your next session is tomorrow, and day after also we have session, and 16th also we have session this week, right? Continuous sessions. Technical sessions will be there. AMA session is nothing but your Ask Me Anything session. If you have any questions or if you struggle with anything, you can join the session and ask us the queries. So similarly, 20th, 22nd, 23rd, next week, we have sessions, both mentor-led as in technical sessions. Okay. And AMA session is also there. There will be 4 AMA sessions and the rest would be technical sessions. Okay. And the topics are already given to you and the timings are already given. So for orientation session today, the timing would be 5 to 6. And for the mentor-led sessions, those are 2-hour sessions. Okay. That is from 5 to 7 p.m. Like I've mentioned already, please do join the session 5 or 10 minutes prior. Do not make us to wait. Okay? Those who are struggling to join the this session here, please do join the YouTube live. We have that open. Okay, you can join there. The live is on. Already I have shared the YouTube live link in the Telegram group as well. Okay, right. So with that, and again, AMA sessions are for 30 minutes where you will be able to speak with us. Okay, we'll be unmuting you. You will be asking your doubts in the AMA session. So do not miss that also. Okay. Yes, sir. Next slide. This is the session flow. Okay. First thing, you would be you might have applied on AICTE portal. Then you might have got shortlisted for this internship. And today you are in the student orientation third step. And then your technical sessions will be starting from tomorrow onwards. And the project discussions and everything will go on based on the self-paced learning. So today you will be registering yourselves into certain platforms like LMS, or this FSP and Microsoft Learn as well, right? FSP is nothing but future skills program. Okay, see, you have to remember one thing, because in the last batch also we faced this issue. You must use only one email ID, that is your AICTE registered email ID. Is that clear, everybody? You should use the same email ID in all the platforms. Later, if you come and tell us, ma'am, I have used some other ID for that, this one is different, I didn't attend that, you should not say that. You should use one same email ID, that is your AICTE registered ID across all the platforms. Even if you say, ma'am, in Microsoft Learn, it is not taking, because in AICTE, I have used my college ID that ends with .org or something. So, well, in those cases, first you log into your LMS with your AICTE registered ID. Just link your profile with a Gmail ID. Once that Gmail ID is linked to your LMS, then come back and create that email ID in your MS Learn account. Just make sure that your AICTE registered ID is everywhere and it should be the same. Do not tell us later, ma'am, please change that, because we don't have access to that. Okay, so please ensure that you are using it properly. Okay, so after starting your self-paced learning, technical sessions will also go on. You will be working on your projects and you will be submitting your final project works. You will also receive the updates in the session itself, right? And after processing everything, we will validate your progress and we will issue you the certificates. Okay, so this is how the session flow will be. Okay, next slide, sir. And where can you apply these skills? These skills can be applied anywhere, be it your profession, be it in your, value additional things. So everywhere you can attach this. These skills will definitely open doors to your careers, be it in artificial intelligence domain or data science or cloud computing. It has so many applications across, many departments like healthcare, finance, and many more. They definitely it will enhance your workplace efficiency, empower your innovation through entrepreneurship and research, right? So it has many different benefits to it, right? So for that, you can work on these skills.
Hi Kartika, we can't hear you.
Hello.
Dear students, you can wait for a minute. She will join back.
Am I audible now, students?
Yes.
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 Okay, thank you, sir. Yes. So it has so many. I'm so sorry. There was a power cut, sudden power cut. Yes, I'm so sorry. So, yeah, it has so many benefits to it. And for that, you can definitely participate in this internship and you can learn about many stuffs which are basically driven by artificial intelligence, right? So it's a good opportunity for you to explore new business opportunities as well, right? So do attend all the sessions without skipping anything, right? Next slide, sir. Of course, requirements from students. So definitely you need to have a decent laptop with good internet connections, right? You must be using updated browser and text editors as mentioned. Attend all the sessions, mark your attendance, right? We will also be telling you where to mark the attendance, right? And you have to complete your self-paced courses on LMS and submit your final project on time. Okay, so definitely, if you are not following any of this, then you will be ineligible for the certification. So do follow everything. We will be keeping you on, posted about everything in your Telegram group. So do attend the sessions and get benefited from it. But please remember one thing, you should use your AICTE registered email ID across all the platforms. Like I have mentioned, today we will be registering you, like not us, but you will be doing your self registration just by following our instructions. You need to ensure that the email IDs are same as your AICT registered email ID. Okay, so with that note, I'm handing over the session to Rohidas sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. The first of all, good evening, everyone. Hope you are doing great. Yeah, good evening. So now we have to do registration. As ma'am told you, you have to use your AICTE register email ID. Everyone, listen carefully. Okay. Everyone have to use that AICTE register email ID for all the platform. Wherever we are going to register for this, you have to only use that particular ID. Get it? AICTE register ID. Hope it is clear to everyone. Hope it is clear for everyone. Let me know whether it is clear or not. Yes. Which ID you have to use? Please let me know in chat. Which ID you have to use, guys? AICT register. Right. Absolutely. Absolutely. Everywhere for the all platform. Yeah, right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your response, guys. Okay. So now we'll move forward for the registration. For the registration, what you have to do here, we are providing you this link in your chat. Either if you are using your mobile phone, so what you can do, you can simply open your Google Lens and you can simply scan this. Okay, you can scan this with anything. You can just simply scan. Either what you can do, you can simply uh, paste this link. You can get this link in your chat as well. Okay, once you click on or either you scan with this.
Just a
So
moment, Rohida sir,
yeah.
just one moment.
Uh,
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, but some students are from the previous batch have joined this batch as well. So students, please remember, you're not supposed to join this batch. This is only for the freshers. Okay,
yes.
and some of you keep on asking for the certificates. Please remember and do check your Telegram messages that the deadline to complete your project works is 15th of May. Correct, students? So you need to complete that first. Then only we can start your certification process. Okay. So the old batch students, please do go to your Telegram group and read your pinned messages. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So when you receive this particular link, you can click on this. Either you can scan, and once you scan, either if you click on this particular link, you will be redirecting on this particular page. This is the page that you can see. Everyone, let me know, and the all things you have to do with me. Simultaneously, you have to do all the things. Let me know. Are you on the same page? Can you see the same page? Yes, yes. Okay. So you can see the same page. So now in this page, at the right hand side, you can see one option, which is nothing but your sign up option, right? There is an option which is nothing but sign up. So now what you have to do, you have to simply click on this option. Okay, what you can do, you can simply click on this option. Okay, you are getting your link in your chat. Once you click on that particular link, either if you scan, if you are using scanning by QR code, you can be redirecting on this particular page. Once you redirect on this particular page, here at the right hand side, you can see one particular text into the blue color, which is nothing but you sign in. So now what you have to do, guys, you have to simply click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be redirecting on this particular page. You will be redirecting on this particular page. Please let me know, are you with me or not? Everyone, can you see the same page? Yes, same page. Everyone, you have to do the same thing with me. If you are facing any challenge, please let me know. Okay. So once you, so here again, I'm telling you which ID you have to use here, guys. Dear student, which ID you have to use here? AICTE register ID. Right. AICTE register ID. Here you have to use. Not for here, but everywhere you have to use. Wherever we are doing this registration, wherever we are login for the all platform, basically you have to use the ID which you have registered with the AICTE. Same. So once you reach on this particular page, so now what you have to do, you have to simply click on create one. Here you can see the option create one. This option, you have to simply click on this create one. Okay, once you click on this option, you will be redirecting on this page. Okay, where it is asking for the email ID. So here you have to enter the email ID. Which email ID you can enter? AICTE register email ID. That same ID here you have to enter. Okay, repeat step. Which steps, guys? Okay. Someone asking to repeat the step. Okay, not an issue. Sorry. Okay, this is. Are you on same page? Those who are asking for the repetition. Are you on same page? Yeah. This is the page. From here, what you have to do, you have to simply click on create one. Simply click on create one. Once you click on create one, you will be redirecting on this page. Here you can see this page. Okay. Create account. Okay. Create account. Here it is asking for the email. So here you can enter your AICTE register email ID. You have to enter that AICTE email ID. Okay. So once you enter this ID, so what you can do, you can click on next. Click on next. Once you click on next, again it will ask create a password. So here you have to create a password with your choice. Okay, you have to create your password with your choice. You can enter the password. Once you enter the password, you can simply click on next. Okay, what we done, we create one, we click on that, then we redirected on this particular page. Once we redirected on this particular page, now it is asking for the email. Okay, for that email, you have to enter your AICTE register email ID over here. And then once you click on next, then here you have to create your password. For to create password, you can create any password of your choice. And once you enter the password, you have to simply click on next. Okay. Once you click on next, you will be redirecting on this page. Hope you are all people are with me. Students, are you with me? Okay. It's okay. Some are showing yes, yes. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, I am also repeating. Those who are saying no, I am one more time. I am repeating. Please listen carefully. Watch it carefully. Okay, I am repeating it again. Repeating it again. You already received one email ID. Sorry, link on your chart, right? You have already received this link on your chart. What you have to do, you have to simply click on this chart. Once you click on this chart, you will be redirecting on this particular page. Once you redirecting on this particular page, here you can see one option, which is nothing but your sign in. You have to simply click on this sign in. Once you click on this sign in, here again you will be redirecting on this particular page. Okay, where they are asking to create account. So again, no account, then what do? You can simply click on create one. Once you click on create one, you will be redirecting on this particular page. Once you redirected on this particular page, here you have to enter the ID, which is the registered with your AICTE, the same ID you have to enter. Then you have to click on next. Then after that, you have to create your password. Once you create a password of your choice, you can simply click on next. Next, then you will be redirecting on this page. Once you are redirecting on this page, here you have to enter the information. We the city, the country is by default. Here we can select our India. If it is not by default, so you can select our country India. Then after that, you have to enter your a birth date, a simple birth date you can enter over here. Okay, month, then you can day and you can enter the year. Okay, once you enter the things, now you can click on next. Here the button. Okay, you can click on next. Simply click on next. Once you click on next, again, okay, you will be redirecting on this page. Okay, so now here basically we have to verify our email. Okay, for to verify this particular email, you have to open your that particular account, and once you open that account, there you can see this OTP. So what you have to do, you have to simply go on your Gmail account, the whatever Gmail you have entered, and the same email you have received this particular OTP. So from there you have to copy and you have to paste over here.
Uh,
Everyone.
Shalar, I'm so
Hi.
sorry, sir. Sorry to disturb you. Some students have some questions initially, so I would request you can go for the first slide. Students, let me help you with the registration process. Okay. I would request you, Shalar, let us go with the first slide. Yes. Oh, thank you. So, students, as we all know, I would request all the students to be clicking on learnmicrosoft.com/, to this website. The link is already given in the chat. I'm requesting again to give the link in the chat. I would request Tawfiq or Piyush, please give the link in the chat as well. And also in the YouTube live, I request Piyush to be handling YouTube live good, that you can give directly over there. So once you can see the link, I would request the students to be clicking on link, right? Once you have clicked on that link, it will take you to this website like this. And the next slide, as we can see, this is the website that what it will come. You can see the sign in button there, right? Click on the sign in button, which was given over there, right? It will ask you for your email ID because MS Learn, we haven't created any of our accounts. We have to create a new account. So you have to create your account in MS Learn. So you have to just click on create one. Okay. And I would request students do not use your college email IDs. Requesting you to use your Gmail itself. If you are using your college domain IDs, it might not work. There are some issues with it. So I would request students to be using your Gmail only. Once you have entered your Gmail, it will ask you to create a password. I would request students to create your password of your own and remember your password really good. Okay. And if there is a challenge, particularly that your registered AICTE email ID and is your college domain ID, and you are registering over here with your personal Gmail, please mention to us, in the Telegram group, tagging Kartika, tagging Shalar, Tawfiq, Piyush, or to me. My name is Shabaz. You can tag me as well, and you can mention those things that we can work accordingly in the backend. Okay. So once you have created your password, click on next. I hope we are clear till so far, right? What account to use, how to utilize, and how to do it as well. Yes. If you are yes, please write yes. Yes, I can see one yes. Thank you, Madhuri. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Prasanna. Thank you, everyone. I hope everyone is clear till so far. Good. Really good. Thank you, everyone. Once you have seen this, I would request you to be selecting your country. It is already over there, and you have to enter your date of birth, month, date, and year. Once everything has been done, click on next. Once you have clicked on next, it will send a verification code to your Gmail or to the email ID that what you have been given. So you have to just go to your Gmail, see the verification code which was given over there, and just paste it or or type it over here. If you have already an account in MS Learn, it is so good. Just log in over there and let us see the process from there. Not a problem. If you don't have an account, please do use it. And I hope all the students who have all, you have, MS Learn account to the email ID that what you have registered with in AICTE. So use only the registered email ID and use only one email ID because we will be registering into multiple websites today. We have to use only one email ID. Okay. So please do remember your email ID and the password. And I hope all of you have verified your account. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Raj Singh. Thank you, everyone. Then click on next. Once you have click on next, it will ask you, for some verification of robots or not. Please do complete these things, and these are really crucial. It will change according to the, person to person, and submit it. Once it is done, please mention done down in the chat. You have registered successfully, completed. Good, good, good. I can see most of the students had already done. Then click on next, and it will be like successful, right? I hope all the students had completed till so far. Very good. I'm really glad students have done it on the go, right? Click on next one. In the next slide, as you can see, you have to click on next and the verification, and you have to create your profile over there. Once it is done, you have to write your display name. You can write, like I am Shahbaz Ali, I can write Shahbaz, right? Whatever I want to write over there as my name, display name, right? And click on next. Once your display name is already done, click on next. It will ask you to, send notifications to your registered email ID. You can select that and you can click on save. It will be sending you the notifications to the registered email ID. And once it is being done, I would request students to click on back to learn, because we registered over here to learn something good, right? So students can click on view profile in the down. I would request students to be clicking on view profile in the down. As you can see in the down, there is an option called view profile. Click onto it, just to see whether our profile is there, right? And once you have clicked, you can see with your name and your email ID, you can see you have registered. Once you have registered, you can see over there as in the pink color, right? All these things will be coming over there, right? All this time, students keep one thing importantly. Whenever you do courses in MS Learn, you have to check whether you have logged in over there successfully or not. If you have not logged in, it will not store any of the data of the courses that what you have done. Every time you click on log, MS Learn, you have to check whether you have logged in with your registered email ID or not. Okay. If you are doing courses without logging in your registered email ID, it will not store your data over there, right? So clicking on next, once your profile has been created, the next thing that what we will be doing, going into the settings, click on to, the box over there, click on settings, right? And once you have clicked on to the settings, you can see your MS username. So copy this MS username. We will be registering using our MS username in our LMS platform. So just copy this and keep it. Okay. Over here, it is Kartika S minus 7830. I hope you have your own MS username. Just copy it and keep it you. I will tell when to utilize, how to utilize. Or you can, use, I will be telling you all these things. You want me to repeat again? I had already told students, do not use your college domain ID. Do not use your college domain ID while you are registering over there. Done? Very good. Thank you. I'm just telling you students, I will be giving you this email, register link again. Please do register using your Gmail, not your college domain ID. Okay, and at last you have to just copy your username by going on to settings. Last steps I will tell you, just click on to the login button over there, KS, as I can see, your name initials will be there. Just click on to that box and you can see settings. In that settings, when you click over there onto the settings, you will see your MS Learn ID. Just copy it and keep it with you. Yeah, done, good. All students have completed. Very good. Thank you, Kavya. You have completed. Sanjana as well. Siri. Thank you. Thank you. Done. Very good. Very good. No, please do it. Please do it. I can give you a couple of minutes. Please do it. Once it is done. Yeah, maximum students have done. Very good. I can see some of the, usernames as well. Not, I'm really glad about it. Thank you, students. Yes. Thank you. Coming to the next step, the next thing that what we have to be doing, registering into the Future Skills Prime. This is a Future Skills Prime website. I want every students to be registering using the same email ID that what we have used for MS Learn. I would request trainers to be sharing the Future Skill Prime ID in the chat as well as in the YouTube link as well, live link. I would request to do that. I hope all of you have received the link. The link is www.futureskillsprime.in. As simple as that, right? So use that link, right? And click on sign up for free because you haven't registered yourself in Future Skills website. So I would request students to be clicking on sign up for free, right? I would request students just click on there, sign up for free. When you click on that, in the next slide, it will ask you for your name and email ID. And students, remember you have to enter your full name because you have to be receiving your certificates in that name, right? And enter your registered email ID only. And I would request again, students, enter your registered email ID and you can set your password and you have to confirm your password. Once you have done it, you have to validate your email ID, right? It will send a verification mail to it. You just click on validate and it will send a verification mail or OTP to your registered email ID. You have to just copy it or enter the same values back in there and you have to validate your OTP. As simple as that. I will be giving a couple of minutes for the students. Please do. You have to be using your registered Microsoft email ID. For the Microsoft MS Learn, you have used whatever email ID. You have to use the same email ID. Do not change your email ID. I told you multiple times, students, do not use your college domain ID while registering over here. Please do your personal Gmail IDs, and that is really helpful. There are two reasons for it, because if you are using your college Gmail ID, it might not work perfectly. And once you have completed your studying, right, your college Gmail ID will be gone. And if you want to download your certificate again, it will be really hard because you will be getting all the things to your registered email ID, right? So these are some of the challenges if you are using your college domain ID. So please do not use.
Also, Shaba sir, those who say that their college ID is the AICTE registered ID, we are sending some messages in the chat. If it is their college ID and if they are unable to create an account on MS Learn with that, they have to log into their LMS using their AICTE ID, and then they have to add this Gmail ID to there. And after that, they can use this Gmail ID on MS Learn as well.
Yes.
There is this detailed message going in the chat. This is the answer for those students who are saying that their ID is their college ID.
Yes. So, it is in the chat, students. Please do use it, right? And there is no challenge at all. If you are feeling any challenge anywhere, we will be there helping you, right? Not to worry. Once your account has been created, once the OTP has been verified, right, students? I hope all the students have verified your OTP in future skills. Yes, OTP is not coming. Let it give some time. You can also check in your, uh, what you call this, spam mails. Do check over there and you might receive over there. No issues. It will come. It will come. Just do check for it. Yeah. OTP is not coming, not a problem, students. You will receive the OTP. Let me complete what I have to be doing. So in the next slide, as you can see, right? In the next slide, click on create an account. Email has been verified will come and you have to just click on create an account. I understand, students, if your OTP is not coming, please give some time. Not to worry, it is a recorded session. You will be getting the recordings as well. All right. Understand what you be doing. It will come. Eventually, it will come. If you are not completing it today, you can do it tomorrow also. It's not a problem. But just understand. Okay. It will come. Right. And next, you have to enter your PIN code, your district, your city, and your state, and your mobile number. Once you have entered your mobile number, you have to check for the OTP verification for the mobile number as well, and you have to validate the same thing using your mobile number, right? Once it is being done, you have to enter your education qualification. You have been occupied in your, if you're studying engineering, if you are studying whatever, right? So you have to enter all these things and you have to give your APAR ID, right? Which is optional. So if you want to give, you can give. If you don't want to give, you can skip that as well, right? If you have already completed, you can write completed. If you are pursuing something, you can write pursuing and your last year of pursuing as well. So please do submit all of your details and click on submit. And I can assure you, students, it is okay if you're not receiving the OTP. You will receive it eventually, right? So it's not at all a problem. You will receive, right? We have noted down the challenge that what you are getting with the future skills. We will be trying to resolve it. Mobile number OTP is not also not coming. Please wait. There might be, thousands of students working in the same time. There might be a small glitch. It will work eventually. Not to worry. Not at all to worry. Right? It is very simple and small process that what you have to do. You can do it and you can see the recordings if you need any help as well. Okay. Cool. You can write, if you're 2023 passed out student, you can write completed and you can close it with it. Okay. Thank you. I hope all of you have registered in future skills. Yes or no? Just write if it is yes, yes, no, no. No, yes, no, yes, no. Few people saying yes, few people saying no. I can understand, there might be some challenges with the OTP verification. I totally understand it. And I'm there to help you anywhere. No issues, students. It's totally fine. We understand your challenge as well on this. Okay. And we will be trying to resolve it at the best. And students, I can tell you, you can try this after a few minutes because most of the students will be dropping after the call. And I would request students to be registering into the Future Skills website. And the link is already been given to you. I would also share the same thing in the Telegram group that you can follow the same process. Not to worry. Once it is successfully completed, click on OK. Right? And that's how we will be completing our Future Skills registration. Right? Click on next, students. I hope you have completed. Let's come to the third one. This is our LMS platform. The last registration thing and the courses that all we do is from the LMS platform. So students, keep one thing really important. This is the major platform that what we will be using for all the courses and everything. The project submission, everything will be over here. Attendance marking, everything. So the link is being given over there. I hope the link is already, we also had given inside the, YouTube channel, right? YouTube link. The same link has been given over there as well. Students can use it. You can directly log in with your registered email ID. If you have registered in AICTE portal with Gmail, you can use your Gmail and your password is test@1234. If you have use your college domain ID, then register using your college domain ID and the password for you as well is test@1234. Enter your CAPTCHA and you can directly click on login. The link is already been given, Utkarsh. I hope you can use the link. Right. Once you have entered, the password test@1234, now there is a chance for you to create your own password. Right. Current password, again, test@1234. For your new password, you can enter your new password, whatever you want. But I would request students to remember your password really good. Yeah. Good. Let me go back. Let me go back and tell you. Students, this is the link Kartika ma'am has given you in the chat. I would request Shila sir, just, yeah, ainsi.edunetworld.com, right? /user/login, right? This is the website that what you have to go. Once you have to click on this website, it will come like this, right? In your mobile, it will come like this. In your desktop, it will come like this. You can directly log in because we have already registered you with your email ID and your password is test@1234. All the students who have registered, right, using whatever the email ID, the college domain ID or your personal Gmail ID, use those email IDs to log in over here. Right, and the password is test@1234. And you have to enter your CAPTCHA, whatever which is given over there. And you have to click on login. Once you click on login, it will ask you to change your password. Right? So the current password is again test@1234. The new password is the password that what you want to create. And you have to re-enter your password. And I would request students. So capital T, small est, test, capital T, small est, @1234. Okay. Then I would request to share the password as well. Capital T, small est, right, in the chat, @1234. Yeah. So, yes, that is the password. Thank you, Abdul. Oh, I think, Abdul, you can't share with everyone. I would request our trainers will also share the same thing over there in the chat. Thank you. Right. Done. Very good. Yeah, wonderful. Right. Once the password has been submitted successfully, click on submit. Yes. Now it will ask you for MS username. So whatever you are copied the username, I told you initially, we will be using the username in the MS, right? Over there, you have to enter your MS username. If you can't see this, you have to go into my profile and you can enter, you have to enter all these things, right? Please do enter your username, MS username, right? And you have to, all the students have to be doing it. And then you have to enter, if you want to change your Gmail ID, you can change your Gmail ID right now, because as I was telling you, here you have to make sure that whatever MS Learn email ID that what you are using, you have to use the same email ID over here. What is MS username? I told you in MS Learn, you have seen your username. You can go into the settings, you have to copy it and you have to paste it over here. Sela, can you go back for MS username part once? Yeah, MS username part. This is your username. In MS Learn, in this website, you can see in the settings, if you click onto the settings, you will see your username. You have to just copy, paste it. that is what your username is. We will be sharing you everything about this call today. You will be getting all the registration steps and everything. Do not worry. Right? Sheila, you can go back to the same point. Yes. So once you have copy pasted your MS username, make sure that whatever you have registered, what email ID you have registered in MSLN, you have to use the same MSLN email ID, your phone number, your gender, date of birth, PIN code, branch, state. Please do enter all your details over here, right? Please do enter all your emails over here. If your college name is not in the specific, you can click on others and you have to enter your college name as well. Once everything has been done, please do click on submit. Yes, you will get the recorded sessions. Really good, students. Do not worry. Right now, as you can see in the screen, there are three major options: basic, intermediate, and advanced. I want to tell you one important thing, students. If you want to get this certificate, right? If you want to complete your internship, all the students have to complete advanced courses. Right? You have to complete advanced courses. Then click on advanced. Once you click on advanced, let me start with AI fluency. Just click on AI fluency, students. In the advanced, you have to click on AI fluency and you can click directly enroll over here. Right? Click on enroll option now. Once you click onto it, it will directly take you to this MSLAN. In MSLAN, the first important thing that what you have to identify whether you have logged in successfully over there or not. If it is asking you for login, please log in. As you can see in the top, it has been logged in successfully. That's the reason it is showing us the initials of our name, T and Z. If you haven't logged in, it will show login option in the top. FSP OTP is not coming. I'm sure students, please wait for some more time. It will come. Please see this process in between. This does not require major OTPs. So students, do not worry. You can follow this. You can register in FSP again. Okay. Right. Okay. Please repeat it again. Sorry, I could not find. Yes. Let me repeat it again. It is showing options of courses. I will do repeat. Let me complete this and then I will do repeat. Okay. Please do understand. Let me complete this. Students, click on next. Right. And I told you again, students, you have to log in and make sure that you have to check whether you have logged in successfully or not. Then do click on next. Again, please do study all those concepts which was given over there. There are like 11 major links that, slides, particularly in this course completion. I request students to be completing and studying all those courses, the material which was mentioned over there in MS Lab. Please do follow the materials and, click on next. Once you have completed all the 11, as you can see, there is a small assessment which was given over here. You can give your answers accordingly and you have to click on submit your answer, right? And these are the answers which I had given and I had clicked on submit, and then it will be asking for complete module. It will be asking for clicking on complete your module. I will just click on complete my module and this is my achievement that what I have received. You can post this in your LinkedIn. You have to just click on LinkedIn and it will directly post it over there. Please do tag us while you are posting it on LinkedIn. Our, LinkedIn profile is edunet @edunet Foundation. You can see Edunet Foundation. This is our logo in the top in blue and red color. Please do click on Edunet Foundation, right? And once you have clicked on Edunet Foundation, we will be getting tagged to your LinkedIn pages. The second important thing, once you have received the achievement, you have to copy the link. In the last, you can see the option of copying your link, you have to click on it and you have to click on the arrow which was shown over there. And you can see URL has been copied. Once you have successfully copied your URL, come back to the LMS, click on AI Fluency, click on to the course that what you have been working on, and there is an option for uploading the achievement credential. You have to just click on to that uploading your credential and you have to submit your link over there. Every course, once you have done, you will be getting a credential. You have to submit your certificate over here or the achievement or the credential over here. I hope all the students understood this. I'm telling you students, I will repeat myself. Do not worry. I will repeat myself. 100%. Right? Once you have submitted this, it will be showing submitted. Let me complete this and then I will show you. Once you have submitted this, it will be shown completed over there. Right? So every course that what you are enrolling, please do complete. Once you have done it, you have to upload your certificate, the URL that whatever you are getting over there. I hope, is it clear, students? Right. Now, let me go back. Let me go back and then I will come over here. Yeah, let me start. I would request students now, forget future skills platform if you're not getting the OTP. Let us complete this first, then we will go back over there and we'll do that as well. Okay. I understand some issues are there. We will come back to it. Please do not get stuck over there. We have to do a lot of process. We will be sharing you this PPT as well shortly. We will be sharing you the guidelines of how to register and everything shortly, and you can use that and you can do that as well. Not only advanced course, I would prefer advanced courses for all the students to be completing it. And you can also do intermediate courses. You can also do basic beginner, courses as well. If you want to get certified by us, all the students should complete advanced courses. Should be completed. It's a must, right? And I would recommend students to be starting with basic, completing intermediate, and coming to the advanced. If you have more clarity on advanced courses, you can directly come over there and complete it. If you need help, go by one by one. Yes, I will be starting with the process of AIMSI.internet.com. I will be doing it. Let us start with it. Where to submit it? Click on view and upload the achievement credentials. Click onto it and you can directly see the link option over there and you have to submit it. Okay. Let's start with the registration of this. Again, students, let me go back. From AINSI, the link is already been given to you. Yeah. And then I will be telling you how to do it and what to do. Because some of the students have been requesting for this. So AINSI.internetworld.com, the link is already given to you in the chat. You can see the link over there. Right? Students forget, let us focus on this rather than if the OTP is not coming, let us try it after some time. Do focus over here. Right? Right? So students, you have to enter your registered email ID over here as well as the password. Password is test@1234. Enter the CAPTCHA as well. Right? For everyone, the password is test@1234. The capital T, small EST @1234. Once you have entered the CAPTCHA, click on login. Right? The current password again over here is test@1234. New password, whatever password you want to create, you can create your password and do remember your password as well. And you have to re-enter your password. Once you have done it, click on submit button. Right? Now coming to the profile. If it is directly coming to you, it is good. If it is not coming to you, in the top, you can see my profile. Right? In the mobile, you have to click on 3 dots and you can see my profile as well. Now over here, you have to copy paste your username, MSLN username, what you have copied initially. You have to paste over here your username. And if you want to change your email ID, because now you have been utilizing your, you have registered with your college domain ID, but now you are using your personal Gmail ID. You can change your Gmail ID, and please do check your email ID is linked up with your MSN email ID, right? If you have checked it, really good. Then enter your phone number, your gender, your date of birth, PIN code, branch, city, college. If your college name is not there, click on others and enter your college name, your highest level of education, stream of study, year of passing year, as well as your registered date will directly come. Not a problem. And you have to click on submit. You have to just click on submit. And these are the courses that what will come particularly for you. I want to tell you, we have basic level courses, intermediate courses, and advanced courses. For completion of this internship program, you have to be completing advanced courses 100%. And I would recommend students to be completing basic and intermediate courses as well. Right? So just click on advanced courses. Right? Once in the advanced courses, you can see all these courses. Let me start up with AI Fluency. Click on AI Fluency. Once you have clicked on AI Fluency, it will direct you to this, Explore AI Basics. And these are all the courses in AI Fluency. So let us go one by one. I will just click on Enroll Now option for Explore AI Basics. Once you have clicked, you have to check whether you have logged in successfully into MSLN or not. Every time you are doing this, please do check whether you have logged in successfully over there or not. In the top, as you can see, it has been logged successfully. That's the reason it is showing me TZ, the initials of the name. If you haven't logged in successfully, it will show login over there. Please do check whether you have logged in successfully or not every single time when you're coming to the MSLN platform. Once you have done it, you can click on next. And there are 11 units particularly in this module, and you have to completely read all the 11 modules. And the material would be really amazing for you to be learning really good. Once you have read all those things, you can click on next. And there is a small assessment that the students will get. Please do answer accordingly and click on submit your answers. Once you have submitted all your answers, it will tell you the correct answers and as well as the wrong answers. And there is an option for you down complete module. You have to click on complete module and you can share your credentials or achievements in LinkedIn. Right? Once you have posting the courses on LinkedIn, please tag us. Tag EduNet Foundation over there @EduNet Foundation. And as you can see, the logo will come over there, blue and red color. Please do click onto it. And you can post to us as well, all your certificates and achievements. Right? Once you have post, you can see in the last, there is an option for certificate over there, the link, the course link. In the next slide, as you can see, there is an option for the course link. Click on that link icon and you can see an option for an arrow, right? Once you click it, you can see the URL has been copied. Your achievement URL has been copied, right? You have to post this URL in our MS Learn website. Once you click on AI Fluency, the course that what I had completed is for AI Basics, right? Once you click on AI Fluency, Exploring AI Basics, you can see Upload Achievement Credentials. You have to just click on that and you have to paste your copied URL over there. In the background, we will verify whether your copied URL is valid or not. It is under your name. So these are the major verifications that what we will be doing. And you have to click on submit. Right? And you can see completed marked over there in the top. And similarly, you have to complete all the other modules in every course which was given over there. And you have to complete 100% of advanced courses. Okay, wonderful. Once you have done this, if you have any questions or any clarities that what you need, you can raise your tickets. There are two options that what you will be getting in the categories. One, there is a technical question. One, there is a non-technical question. Because in this internship process, we will be teaching you a lot of technical things. lot of hands-on and lot of things that what you can complete a project with. Right? You can ask those questions inside technical. Inside non-technical, you have to tell whether you are facing any challenges like OTP is not coming and other things are not coming. You can raise your tickets over there in non-technical. Right? That is the difference between technical questions and non-technical questions. If you have any questions on AI courses, if you have questions on any material that what you need for, then is a technical question. Yeah, you can upload your screenshots as well if you are getting any challenges, and you can submit directly to us and we will reply back to you with a solution for it. Right? That's how we close out with the things. And I would request students, every session that what we complete, we will share you an attendance form. Right? And you have to complete that. And this is program overview as well. Students, you will be getting question and answers and overall all the things that what you will be getting, program overviews and FAQs are also being given over there. In the next slide, as you can see, in the FAQs are also given. This is the major thing that what you will be getting from the URL. So every student has to complete the course, mark your attendance, everyday attendance. The attendance has been given over there. You click on that link, it will directly take into the LMS platform and you have to click on mark complete. I will be showing you that and you have to submit your project. This is the certificate eligibility. The course completions are really important. Marking your attendance is also really important and you submitting a project is also really important. Okay. So students, I would request all of you to be completing here advanced courses, right? For completing, marking your attendance, just click on that link which was given to you and click on mark me present. Once you have clicked on mark me present, it will be making you present for that day. It is not compulsory to be completing basic and intermediate courses, but I would recommend students to be doing basic and intermediate courses as well. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you for your time. I hope you have, I have answered most of your questions. Yes, thank you. Yes. Project is compulsory as well. Students, from tomorrow onwards, we will be teaching you all the technical stuffs. Any other questions you have? You can post us. You can ask us in LinkedIn in your tagging us. We will be answering you as well. Do not worry. In the Telegram groups, please do ask your challenges and we will be resolving your things. Today is the first day of our session. We will be continuing the same thing upcoming days as well, right? So this is not the last session. This is the first session. So do not worry if you are getting any challenges. We will be there supporting you in every single way of it, right? Any other things to be added, Kartika?
No, Shabas, we have covered everything.
I'm so sorry, students. We have taken 9 more minutes, particularly over here. I usually complete on time, but because we are getting some challenges with the OTP, we have extended some of the time. I hope you can understand that. And I would request students to be joining on time, and we will be making sure that we complete the things on time.
Yeah, also, Shabas, some students are saying that they are unable to join the Telegram group. So for those students, we would request them to use the QR code we shared to their email IDs already. Also, we have shared certain tips, like you have to use the link within the Telegram group, something like that. They can try that. Already we have about 7,000 plus participants in the group. So students, Telegram link and QR code works fine. You just have to check your internet and other stuffs. Ensure that your browser is updated and everything is correct. Okay, so all the other communications will be done only on your Telegram group. So please make sure to join that.
Cool.
And even this attendance link, the portal link, everything will be shared in your Telegram group.
And I can tell you, students, we have amazing faculty who will be delivering the sessions upcoming as well. We have Shadar sir, we have Taufik sir, we have Sir Piyush sir, who will be helping us with all the things as well. And I would like to thank each and individual trainers for giving their time, particularly for our students for this process is really commendable as well, right? And students, all the best, and we will see you in the next day then. Thank you.
Thank you, Shahbaz sir. Thank you, Rohida sir. Thank you, Tawfiq sir, Anjali ma'am, and everyone. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we have our session, so please be on time. The further updates will be shared on your Telegram group, and ensure to mark your attendance on time. Thank you.
Thank you.